Hello, this is how you make a Zwave based garage door opener that can work with Alexa or just your Wink hub or whatever Zwave hub that you have. You need just a handful of components, nothing too major. I guess the first main thing would be the Zwave component, the relay, or it says micro switch in this case. Right here you can see that. And so that is just a 110 volt Zwave relay. So when the Wink hub sends a signal, this thing will close on these contacts, the load contacts, just like a wall switch kind of. And that's its function. It's just going to close through the Wink. We also have a regular relay. This will operate as a dry contact relay so that we can isolate the garage door closing signals. The other components you need are an electrical box. In this case, I just 3D printed one. It's also got a grommet, so tap that out. Or it's not called a grommet, but whatever. It's got a way to hold the wires. You also have a 110 volt electrical plug to power this Zwave relay. So the whole flow of installation is pretty simple. You get 110 volts to the relay power. You can see that it says AC power, neutral and line. Your white should go to your neutral, your black should go to your line. The other end has a 110 volt plug. There's no ground here, so if you wanted a metal box you could ground it, but not really worried about it in this case. After that, you have the relay contact. So this is where it provides voltage once the Z-Wave thing, the Z-Wave switch in this case, gets told to close. So close the garage door, open the garage door. The load contacts will go on. So whenever that happens, you're going to get neutral voltage on this contact and load voltage here. I haven't tested it, but I bet the load voltage, the neutral is always high. When that happens, this relay will close. So on this relay, we have normally open contacts between pins 1 and 5. So what we do is when that relay closes, pins 1 and 5 will contact. That will complete the feedback circuit on the garage door, just like your button does on the wall. And every time you press that, you're just sending a signal back to that garage door opener. Nothing special at all. And so that's what this will do. Pins 1 and 5 here are wired up. Whenever this thing triggers, it'll trigger this. That'll close this. And that will open or close the garage door. So once I pull all this together, which is kind of tight, start getting it in there. Feed a little back in, get that in the corner. Then we set our Z-Wave relay down in there. And we slide on the lid. It's a little loose, I'll fix that. No problem. Then we would just mount this box. Mine's going to go on our ceiling. Mount that box. Plug it into the outlet. My garage door is plugged into like probably every outlet in your home. 2 outlet 110 volt outlet. This will go in the spare one the garage door is plugged into. There's an extra up there. And then I will strip this back. You can do that really quick. Pull that out. This is called SO cable. You probably don't have this at home. You can find it at the store. You can just use some other cable. So these, they would just go in the garage door. There's 2 contacts at the, not 2 contacts, 2 terminals that your garage door already has run into your garage door opener button. That's where these go. So then when you trigger the relay through your Wink app or through your Alexa, then you would be good to go. That's all.